China is pushing the boundaries of robotics faster than ever before. With a growing labor crisis and a need for industrial automation, the country is investing heavily in AI-driven humanoids and manufacturing robots. Companies like BYD, Xiaomi, and Unitree Robotics are leading the charge, developing advanced robots to fill workforce gaps. But while China is excelling in production, its reliance on U.S. technology, particularly semiconductors, could pose a major threat to its ambitions. If the U.S. imposes tougher sanctions, how will China maintain its competitive edge in robotics? China's rapid investment in robotics is fueled by a pressing issue: the labor shortages. By 2025, the country is expected to face a shortfall of nearly 30 million manufacturing workers. This is largely due to an aging population and a shrinking workforce, making automation a necessity. Currently, China dominates global industrial robot installations, but most of its machines are low-tech and limited in function. However, with advances in AI and hardware, China is now shifting its focus to more sophisticated humanoid robots capable of performing complex tasks. Tech giants like Xiaomi and BYD, along with robotic startups like Unitree Robotics, are developing AI-powered robots to handle tasks traditionally performed by humans. This shift aims to make factories more efficient and reduce dependence on manual labor. But there is a significant challenge. While China is excelling in robotics, it still depends heavily on foreign technology, particularly U.S. semiconductor chips, which are critical for AI-driven automation. AI is playing a crucial role in China's robotics evolution. With advancements in machine learning and automation, Chinese companies are now developing humanoid robots that can walk, talk, and perform human-like movements. The market potential for these robots is massive. Analysts predict that China's robotics sector could generate over $20 billion in revenue by 2030. Companies are racing to integrate AI into their robots, making them smarter and more adaptable to different industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. However, despite these innovations, China is facing a critical roadblock: its reliance on U.S. semiconductor technology. The AI chips used in advanced robots are primarily produced by American firms like NVIDIA and Qualcomm. If the U.S. tightens export restrictions, China's ability to develop high-tech robots could be severely impacted. China's robotics industry is at a turning point. On one hand, it is making groundbreaking advancements in automation. On the other, its dependence on U.S. semiconductors makes it vulnerable to geopolitical tensions. If the U.S. imposes stricter sanctions on semiconductor exports, China could face major setbacks in AI and robotics development. To counter this risk, China is aggressively investing in domestic semiconductor production. However, experts suggest it could take years before China can fully replace U.S. technology with its own. Despite these challenges, China remains committed to dominating the global robotics market. Whether it can overcome its reliance on foreign tech will determine its long-term success in this highly competitive industry. China's robotics industry is booming, but challenges lie ahead. With labor shortages driving demand for automation, the country is accelerating its development of humanoid robots and AI-powered machines. However, its reliance on U.S. semiconductor technology could become a major obstacle. Will China be able to build a self-sufficient robotics industry, or will U.S. sanctions slow down its progress? The future of automation depends on how well China navigates these challenges. What do you think? Can China maintain its lead in robotics, or will global tech restrictions hold it back? Let us know in the comments below. Stay updated by subscribing for more insights into the latest technology and innovation trends. Be sure to like this video, share it with others, and turn on notifications for breaking tech news.